welcome back to the Apple Learning Tree. If you're new here, my name's Jen and I've got two children. I've got a 5-year-old boy and a 2-year-old girl. I used to be a primary school teacher before I had children, so I like making videos about activities for my kids, and I like doing educational videos like teach your child how to read, and I've got a whole series. So in this video, I'm going to show you what I'm bringing for my children to keep them entertained in the car. We are off to Haven for a little weekend break, and I like to collect a few things from Home Bargains and pound shops and just some new things to keep the journey and the kids entertained. Where we live in the northeast, it's about a 3.5-hour journey. We are going to Tara for the first time. So that's about 3.5 hours, maybe longer with stopovers. So a lot of these activities are to keep both kids entertained throughout the journey. We will also be bringing their Yoda player and a few cards and some headphones. And then also the iPads as well will have a few movies downloaded on them as a backup. So all these resources I got from Home Bargains, The Works, Tesco, a few others I've just kind of picked up along the way. So I'll let you know where I found them from. The first item that we got are these two Ikea drawing boards, travel kits. So they're about £10. We got them on sale with the Ikea family card. And they open up, and then inside you can put some crayons. They've got a little zipper here, so you can put some pencils and felt tips. This has also got holders, so you can put some pens in there. And then this has got a little section here, which I've just popped some paper in. And then on the top here, it's got a little clip, so you can clip the paper in there. So I thought that'd be quite nice because they're both really into drawing. So that's from Ikea. From The Works, I picked up some twistable crayons. These will go into their little art cases. And I've got some felt tips that we already have, so we'll bring those along with us, and some crayons. And then these were new. So I've seen these on Amazon, so you can buy them there, but in The Works they were about £6. So I thought they were quite good price compared to Amazon, because I think they're double on Amazon. And these are magnetic travel games, and they're very thin. And so I picked up Snakes and Ladders because he loves this game at the moment. And it just comes with 4 little pieces like that are just kind of made out of cardboard and of magnets. And then a little dice. Then the dice is not magnetic, so if you're playing it in the car, it might get lost. But that's the Snakes and Ladders. This one is the tic-tac-toe and 4 in a row. So there's 2 games there. That's what that one looks like. And then this one is magnetic checkers. So we're going to use these as well to take out to the restaurants as well, because these are really thin and great. And another one I have got already was this one. Now this one I actually bought when I was in Hong Kong, but you can find this one on Amazon. This is a magnetic car racing one. It's by the same company, which is the Purple Cow. And this one came with just 4 little cars and a racetrack and a little dice. Again, the dice is not magnetic, so watch out. From The Works, I bought these click and stick little packs. Now, we already had a pack from The Works, and they are just like little STEM activities, plastic pieces that clip together. So you get 50 pieces in this little bag. So I got this one for my little girl, and then this set for my boy. And I thought afterwards we can add them to our collection. So I like getting them a little toy sometimes. So I just picked these up at Home Bargains. They were less than £1. And this was just a Hot Wheels car, which is one he doesn't have. And then these are the little princess ones, and she's got a little Jasmine doll. For my little boy, I've got him a 3-in-1 Avengers colouring book and a Avengers stick and play book. So if he doesn't use these in a car, we'll take these to the restaurant as well with us. I also have him a Spot the Difference book. He's just getting into these, and I found this one on Amazon for about £2. I quite liked it because I had quite large pictures, so it's quite nice for beginners. For my little girl, I've got her a new colouring book. I've got her a Cocomelon one and a little one to go in my handbag. She's finished her one. Works, I found these 555 sticker fun books. My little boy has a vehicle one and he absolutely loves it, and we take that to the restaurant every week, but he's starting to finish it, so I thought I'd pick up 2 new ones. And again, if they don't finish it on this trip, these will go in my restaurant kit bags. So for my little girl, she loves princesses, so I got her the Princess Palace. And you haven't seen these books, they've just got blank scenes, and in the back they have all the stickers. And what they do is stick the stickers on the different scenes. And then this one is the Sticker Fun Holiday one. And those are the stickers in the back. So I got these from the Works, but you can also find these on Amazon. And then from Home Bargains, I just saw this and I thought might be quite good. And it's just a white clean. This will be good for my 5-year-old, and then my 2-year-old will eventually use this as well because it's white clean. A new thing I got off Amazon is this travel Spirograph. I used to have one of these in the 80s as a child and I loved it. This is the travel one. So it comes with 2 pens, some paper as well, and some instructions as well. So he's never used these before, so this will be quite new, and I'm quite excited to teach him how to do it. It clips up together. So it's quite small, size of my hand. And that's from Amazon. This week I saw these little Lego bags and I thought they'd be perfect for traveling and then using again in restaurants in place. So I picked up one for my 5-year-old and this one will be for my 2-year-old. What I like to pick up sometimes are magazines, and this one is for my little girl. I really liked it because I had a little booklet and a pen and she loves scribbling. And these usually keep them quite entertained because they're colouring pages, there are stickers in here, and I'll bring these out as well to the restaurant. These 2 little blind bags lying around, I think they were from an old stocking fillers that I never actually used, so I might bring them along. I need to find one for my little girl. This one I found in some random pound shop. It's like a Super Blocks one. And then these I found in Home Bargains a while ago, but you can find these in Tesco's as well. They're just like little mini cars, and you got a little key there that it flicks it out. So those are all the new things I've purchased for this trip, and we'll be using these for this trip and others, and if we don't use them all, we'll probably use them in the restaurant kits. So a few things I'm bringing that are old is this I got from Amazon. I've shown this in a travel toys video. This is for my 2-year-old. It's one of those busy books. So this is from Amazon. It's got buckles. It's got a bunch of letters, which I think I need to go through because I think a few of them are missing now. And it's got a few more buckles to play with and some buttons. And it's also got a bag of shapes. I don't have them on me right now. I bought this one at the beginning of the year because we were doing quite a few different road trips this year. And I don't keep this in the car anymore. So after our trips, I put it away. So this is going to be new again and exciting to play with. So a few more things I'm going to bring that I've already had lying around the house are these water well books that you just use the pens to fill with water, and then it keeps them quite entertained, and then they just dry out and you can paint again and again. So I've got some animal ones. These are all different brands. This one is by Galt. We've got the Melissa and Doug, and this one I think I found in Tesco's, which is Paw Patrol. A really old resource I've had when my little boy was younger and I took him on a flight when he was about 2 is these reusable sticker pads by Melissa and Doug. And this one is the farm set, and you got a bunch of little puffy stickers, and then you get a scene, and they are reusable, so you can take them off. So I'm going to give this to my little 2-year-old because she loves stickers, and I thought this would be quite a nice car toy to play with. So that one is the farm scene. This one is the safari. So inside you've got a different scene, and then you can also use that on the back as well. So my little girl hasn't seen these before, so they're going to be quite new and exciting for her to play with. So these are by Melissa and Doug. The last thing I'm going to bring are just a few more resources that we were kind of running low on, but I thought these were quite good for my handbag as well, so that's why I picked those up, because they were quite small and they came with a little pencil. These are from Home Bargains. And then this is just a pencil case from Amazon that I've had for a while. If you've not seen them, they're quite good, because when you unzip them, this bit folds down and it becomes a little stand for your pens. So these are just some Crayola felt tips that we're going to bring. And then when you're finished, you just kind of lift this top bit up. And it's a pencil case again. So it's quite nice. That one's from Amazon. And those are all the things that I'm bringing for our little road trip. They might seem a bit too much, but I'd rather have a lot of activities to keep them busy. And because we're going in the car, it doesn't really matter on weight or size. So I usually have all these activities in a bag next to me. And then when they want one, I'll hand them back to the children. We also have one of those back seat organizers that hang over the back of the seat. And inside has lots of different pockets. So I'll fill my 5-year-old stuff in there, and then when my little girl wants something, I'll pass it back to her. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you liked all these items. I'll link them below. And if anyone has any other great travel toys or suggestions, please leave me a comment below. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you give this video a big like and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you next time, guys. Bye.